Section 7.2 Homework Problem Number 3. Find the volumes of the solid generated by revolving y equals square root of x, y equals 0, and x equals 6. And in part D, it's about the line x equals 9. If you observe this situation, because the axis of revolution is about x equals 9 and is parallel to the y-axis, we will use dy. So we write the formula: pi times integral from a to b capital R squared minus little r squared times dy. And then we plug in the numbers. So it will be equals pi times the integral from a to b. Well, because we are doing dy, so we need to see the y range that are covered by the region. And because it's from y equals 0 to y equals square root of x, we will have from y equals 0 to square root of 6 in this case. Now to find the capital R, we'll have to look at the radius from x equals 9, which is the center of the revolution, to the region. And we have to do, in order to find the length of this green line, we will need to use a bigger number, subtract the smaller number. So it's from x equals 9 to x equals y squared, because that is the point on the curve y equals square root of x. So x equals y squared. So that's your capital R. We have to do the square. Then we subtract little r. And little r is from x equals 6 to x equals 9. And it's just the number 3. That is the length of that little r. So we square little r dy. Then we do the calculation. We get pi times integral from 0 to square root of 6. We use the binomial formula to expand the expression 9 minus y squared quantity squared. So, and we usually write the power first. So we get y to the 4th power minus twice 9 times y squared. So we get 18 y squared. Then plus the constant 9 squared, so it's 81. Then we subtract 3 squared, which is 9, dy. Now this is a really simple integral. It's a binomial. It's a polynomial, so you can use a power rule. So the antiderivative is y to the 5th power over 5. Subtract y to the 3rd power over 3, but then you times 18, so you get 6y to the 3rd power. Plus 81 subtract 9 is 72, so 72y. And you have to evaluate from 0 to square root of 6. And now use a calculator. You should get the answer. 216 over 5 times square root of 6 pi.